Hello, traders. It's Andy with Trade Ideas, and it is September 20th on a Wednesday. And boy, this market is continuing to disappoint both bears and bulls. You see, yesterday looked like we were breaking down, and midday we got a buyers stepped in. We had a rally, and now we're gapping up today, right in the middle of this mess. So don't feel like you have to do anything, okay? Sit on your hands. You don't have to trade, even if it's swing trading. It's very difficult right now. And if you do, take profits quicker, cut your losses fast. I mean, it's just, or play smaller size. But anyway, let's take a look at a few stocks that are jumping out at me a little bit today. I'm liking this NBIX. I really like this setup here. Look at this nice little pullback here after a gap up to the 10-period moving average, and then an impressive day yesterday. And that it is gapping up today. So I'd like to catch this little, don't want to chase anything in this market. So maybe put you alert for a pullback or something like that, and see how the market's trading and see how that's setting up. Another one is SGEN. This one is holding up pretty well after a gap up on obviously news. Maybe it was earnings, I don't know, but it's very sloppy. But anyway, it's right in the middle of this range. But if it gets, closer to this 200 level, it looks like it, this 210 level. Keep an eye on that one for breaking out to the upside. MU is been kind of holding up, and what I mean by that is even when we get nasty pullbacks in the market, it's holding the 70 level, and it is back above its 10-period moving average. Maybe just put your price alert, up here around 72, maybe a little bit earlier to get you a little head start. But that one has been, you've had a move and then kind of going sideways for a while. It notifies or signifies strength. One other one is BXMT, real quick. Watch this one. It's been flirting with this level up here, and so just put you an alert right up here at maybe 23.68. All right, have a good one. We'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye. Don't forget it's Fed Day.